Hey everybody, this is Ardel Joseph from Ardel Joseph Wealth Coaching. So we saw that the prices of FTC, and today we're talking about FinTocch. The prices of FTC actually fell roughly 50% from where they were trading over between 850 and 900 overnight. And we saw prices actually fell down and bounced around the $300 level, actually, the 300 USDT level. So I'm going to see if we can go in and maybe get a little trade in. Let's see if that's possible. And the way we do that is we're going to go to swap trading. I do have 820 USDT TRC20 in this wallet. That's down here. All right. So we're going to go to swap trading, and in the swap trading, that's happening over there in Pancake Swap. And over there in Pancake Swap, we're going to wait for the balances to load. FTC is at the top currently. What I'm going to do is use that tool right there, and I'm going to flip them. So now I have the USDT at the top, and I have the FTC at the bottom. Typically, one can quickly use 25% of their account, 50%, 75%, or all of their account to perform a trade. What I'm going to do is, I know the price of FTC is around about 440, 450 right now. So let me see if I can take about 445 USDT and see what that's going to actually give me. So below you see it says that it's loading right there. It was loading, and look like I'm going to get a little bit under one FTC token. The swap feature at the bottom actually allows us to put the trade in. I'm going to go right in and execute this trade. I'm going to put in my password real quick and let the system execute that trade. And I'm seeing here where it now says delayed. Okay, transaction receipt. So it looks as though I was able to get that trade in quickly before the delay showed up in the bottom of my screen. So rather than trying to put another trade in, I got to check my balances. I noticed that my balance indeed was updated. You can look right there and see that there's now 375 USDT that's sitting in the wallet. I did get a little bit under one FTC. And if the price falls again, I can probably pick one up for 375 or less. For right now, I'm just holding on to that one. I did have some more earlier. So if I go back to the FinTocch app, I see my total balance at the top, which reflects the USDT is now being reflected. But if I look down at the bottom, I see my USDT balance is actually showing as 375 right there. That's the USDT BEP20. And if you look closer at the bottom where it says FTC token, all the way at the bottom is I now have 1.75 in the form of the FTC BEP20. This account does have 0.1 FTC right there, which is the requirement for the account. So as far as having FTC on hand, if I needed to perform a trade, let's say FTC got back up to about $1,000 and I felt like there was a lot of resistance there and I wanted to sell one of them, I can sell it there and potentially buy it back at a lower price. For right now, I'm going to just, hang in there. I do have 1.72 FTCs right here. And quite frankly, guys, imagine if the price of FTC, let's say, went up to $2,500. If I multiply that by 1.75, now that's a value of $4,375. I just wanted to show you that, to show you the power of trading in this market and the power of what we have here. If I go to profits at the bottom and go to FTC exchange, I'll be able to see that the price of FTC is now actually 458. So some persons who actually were able to come in and get it at $300, they're already making money on that trade, a significant amount at that. If it gets back to 900 by the end of the day, then I would probably almost double the investment that I put in. All right. So again, guys, this is Ardel Joseph from Ardel Joseph Wealth Coaching, and it's been my pleasure to bring you this trade to purchase FTC in the pancake swap.